My name is Johannes Mujela. Headache can be cured. I know this may sound impossible, but I've been through this. I know this thing. It started 1969 when I was very young. I was about 10, 11 at the time. And then I normally have headache. My family gathered together, tried to help me, but there was no help. You know our tradition. They will call someone. They had a traditional healer to try to help you. They will say they see this, but I couldn't get better. When I grew up at school, some of the years I couldn't even write my examinations because of headache. I went to, as I can remember, to 4 of traditional healers where they say they can heal me. They couldn't. And then I went to the neurologist. 4 times I went. And then luckily, I asked one of the neurologists, and they said now their duty is to check your brain, and then if there is no problem with your brain, then there is nothing they can do, but they can only give you some medication, suspecting maybe it's migraine or tension, and then but now they couldn't heal me. And then it happened that the last neurologist I went to, I asked, after telling me that there is no problem with my brain, I asked him what is the best thing that I can do to stop taking medication. Then he said, no, there is a headache clinic in Johannesburg. And then he suggests that I can go there. And then luckily he gave me that information, that the scan that he had. Then I went there. Like everybody else, I was just thinking that it's just another, maybe another, they're going to try me, or it's just another treatment that I've been through. But to my surprise, there is such a big team of specialists there. I went there. It took me about 2-3 hours going from all different specialists. And then at the last time, at the end of the session, I went to another one where there was this lady who was one of the team. She gave me the results. I couldn't believe what happened. The only thing that they specialized, the things that they specialize in, the thing that is very important that you may take it, is that they discover what the root of the problem is, and then they will treat you according to that the problem that you have. And then from there, I came here, I think last 2012 in September. Remember, I started having this thing in 1969. I've been having all this until 2012 September. I came here after getting that treatment. Now I've got from September until now is February. I can say the only thing that I had, it was just a mild headache. Maybe I took Grandpa or Disprin ever since. Remember, I used to, when I was at school, it was impossible for me to go to school for the whole week, because frequently I'll have headache 2-3 times a week. And then when I was young, it was worse. When I grew up, it was maybe for 2 weeks. If I've got 2 weeks without headache, then I'll say it's a bonus. But for me now, like now this year is now the 2nd month in this year of 2013. I'm sorry, but what I can say, I went to headache clinic, not 2013, but 2012, not 2013. I went there. And then ever since then, ever since September, I can say if I have to rate my chances or the percentage, I can say my headache has improved 95% plus, because now I can say I don't have any headache anymore. The only thing that I can say I have headache like everybody else, sometimes I feel, but a very light headache. So after discovering that what is the problem with me, then I know now, I'm sure now, because it was discovered what the problem is. But now to everybody out there, the only thing that I can say, yes, I know they will tell you about Mr. So-and-so can help you. I went through all those. They can tell you the neurologist can. Yes, they can. But if it's a problem, headache, like it persists continuously, there must be a cause of that. Then try to find out what the cause is. I've seen so many people sick, and then some of them I don't see anymore. But if they can find this information of headache clinic in Johannesburg, just try to go there. This is not like I'm trying to impress everybody, but I know this thing. Even my friends, I know now. My family don't believe it. My children, my wife are all surprised because I don't take medication anymore. All these years, my medical will be exhausted because I'll be going from doctor to doctor, from chemist to chemist, trying to get help. But now I'm telling you, I'm much better. I can say, I know a person is not 100% cured, but for me now I can say headache is something of the past. If you can go to a headache clinic, they find what the problem is, then I think you'll be helped. Unlike me, where I wasted some years, like I said, I couldn't write my exam because of headache. Because if you have got this headache, there is nothing that can stop. Sometimes you can take medication until you feel weak. But now, ever since if they can discover the root of your problem, then you're done. It's okay, you're cured. I think that's all about this. Yeah.